Hello students. Today I am going to discuss this chapter of your book, which is Formula and Function in MS Excel. So there are some elements of a formula. What are the formula? First of all, we will know about these things. Formula are some of the you have studied about some formulas in MS Excel. If you have seen ever, if you have calculated sum and average, we can do any type of calculation, arithmetical calculation in MS Excel. So elements of a formula. Elements means whatever the alphabets or numbers we will insert into the formula. First is constant. Constants are the values or strings which you will enter into the formula bar or in the rows or column. Example, numbers or alphabets. Second, reference. Reference are used to refer a range of cells. Sometimes you want to refer MS Excel where to look for values. That is called reference. Third one is operators. Operators means, as I think you know, that operators are the symbols which are used to perform some arithmetical operation like plus, minus, modulo. So here we have given some of the examples of how to enter formula. So we will consider this one. Here we have a list in which we have the serial number, fruit name and cost of fruits. So you can see this is I can show you by zooming fruit name and cost of the price. Here in the formula bar we have equals to C2 plus C3 plus C4. We can write formula in the cell also and in the formula bar also. This is the formula bar and this is the cell. Equals to C2 plus C3 plus C4. So equal sign we will have to write before writing any formula, and then when we will press enter, you have to press the enter key. When you will press the enter in the C5 key, means in the next key, in next cell, C5 cell, you will get the total of the fruits. So I told you that time that we will study about some operators. This is the operator. This is the operator here. You can see ampersand operator. In Excel, text formula is a formula that returns text as a result. It combines two or more text value using ampersand operator. Like we will write double equals to double quotes welcome ampersand double quotes ampersand home. Then what will be our result? We will get welcome home. Concatenation means to combining two values. Now entering the text formula. If you want to enter any text formula, enter some text in the cell A1 and B1. In the cell A1 and B1, you can see I am again zooming. A1 and B1 we have written hello and world, and in the cell we are writing the formula equals to A1 ampersand B1. Then this formula will concatenate or combine these two values. So our result would be here we have written ampersand A1 and equals to A1 and ampersand B1. You can see. Then what result we will get? We will get result hello world here, over here. So this is the use of concatenation operator. Here we will study about compound formula. What are compound formula? Compound formula are used to create and enter a formula which contains more than one operators. For example, if we want to create a formula to calculate the profit percentage using the formula selling price minus cost price divisible by selling price into 100. If we have given this list where we have given cost price equal to 250 and selling price equal to 270, and we have to calculate the profit percentage using Excel, what we will do? We will first of all make this list here. We will make this list cost price equal to 250, selling price equal to 270, and we will write the formula here profit percentage profit percentage equals to B3 minus B2 by B2 into 100 means as we know that we have given the formula selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100, that is we have written in the form of cell name BA, B1, B2. As you can see, there are 3 sheets in MS Excel. In a single worksheet you have 3 sheets. When you will fill this sheet and then you can switch to this sheet, and then that one is filled and you can switch to this sheet also. Now we will study what is a cell. Cell is a combination of rows and column. It is intersection of rows and column. It is the smallest unit of a worksheet formed by intersection of rows and column. Okay, thank you.